biggest waterfall in the whole world. Look inside. Come and take a shot of inside.
Waterfalls now. What you call chair? Adam for be so won't share we are. What the chair per ember?
Hey, my canvas. Oh, I'm also more fantasy. Oh, meaning that in Fantina, but inside we are under the rock. We are under the rock. Look at.
Hello, yeah, so we actually heard about a waterfall. We are still in the water region of Ghana. So as you can see, we are riding to the waterfall because they told us that the waterfall is not far from where we are. So we decided to go and visit the place. So that's the two of us on the bike moving towards the waterfall. The name of the waterfall is the Aflabo Waterfall in the Afajatu district. So actually we were lost at this point, so we had to go and get directions to the waterfall. So that's what my other colleague was doing.
Go to the waterfall over here, but when we went there, they said the person in charge is around here, so we should come and see him. So as you can see, we're in a school, so we want to meet the man and see whether we can be able to go to the waterfall today. See you. The one you know. Yes, so now we met the man, and this is the gentleman that will be taking us to the waterfall. So my name is Dr. Mukesh, the adventurous pharmacist. So may we know your name too?
My name is
Michael. Yes, so it's Michael. So Michael will take us to the waterfall. So see you at the waterfall.
The road was very bad, so they had to drop so that I can be able to cross the wooden bridge.
We are heading towards the waterfall over here. There's a waterfall called the Aflabo Waterfall, yes. So we are currently at a village called the Aflabo City, yes. So we rode from the roadside to this place because the place is very far actually. So we are now at the Aflabo City. So I think from here we'll be walking to another village. I don't know the name of the village. When we get there, we'll come up with an update. See. The journey. So we are now heading towards the next village before we start climbing to the waterfall. So we are still on it. This is our tour guide. The environment. Let's look at the environment. We are going over there. We are waiting. So we are waiting for Michael's friend to join us. Okay, he said he wants his friend to join us to take us to the waterfall. So now we are here waiting. I think we have a few distance to cover. So, Michael, yes.
So, over so called ma. So we paying for my son. I'll call him, and now the tour guide no. So now wait me. I call him. The Honda is very nice. So called ma. Ube work as some will be brave. The Honda nice. Ubia bahon me no cry. The ebimu call him. Muko travel chatting now. A guaranco cinema in Guari. Honda very very nice.
Okay. So what can we be saying soon? Which are? What to me to control Biana? I hear I said
it. Oh, and the olden days, so much picture now. Much waterfalls now. What you call chair? Adam for be so won't share we are. What the chair per ember.
Hey.
And to also sell a waterfalls now could track ramble. I say on pesa and there's a much try challenge.
I don't know spirit Biana baby.
Yes, please. So we do all say subu all. So call is here. When say so call is here now. We shout tell be one say into never pity aba more aba e bi original cry.
Okay.
We shout tell na aba more. So omu ye mienu. Omu enter for so on back afa no. Na back so for. We go on one side. Omu enter for ti. We in the olden days, my grandma catch them say, "Sir, waterfalls we." What's the name? Bamun does on the obefa hanum, not on the on for hanum.
Oh, okay. So now, Michael, what Michael is saying is that Michael was actually speaking tree. Okay. So Michael, what Michael is saying that the waterfalls are two. Okay. There's one that is going to the town, and there's one that is going to Togo. Yes, we are in the water region, so this place is a bit closer to Togo. Yes, so Togo, Palime area. Okay. Then he was also saying something interesting that at first when you go there and you want to take a video of the waterfall or a picture, you can do so. You can take a video or a picture of the waterfall, all right. And when you look on your phone or your camera, you will see the picture, you will see the water, everything over there. But when you go home and you want to show it to your friend or let's say a colleague, you will notice that the water is not shown anymore. So I was shocked. Yes. So I think maybe when we get there, we'll get to learn more about the place. So we are still waiting for his friend though. Into your infantia.
Oh, I don't maybe several.
Oh, I want to say infanti. Oh, I'm also more infanti Sierra. Oh, minimum net infantina, but many will cast na eleka. I be eleka away. Oh, at infantia. Oh, as if you
if he got time grammar hall, Swedro, Sac.
Ah, Mr. Metinata calling to me confante, papa. Oh, when I'm going to call about, oh, his friend is even around, so his colleague can join us over here. Yes. Okay, so this is his colleague that we're waiting for. So your name, please.
Marina.
Oh, Marina. Okay, so Marina is now around. So now we'll continue our journey. See you at the waterfall. Yes, so we are going to the waterfall now. We are on it. Now we are three, including our cameraman. We are going to F1. Okay. Okay, so it's a coffee. These are coffee plants we are seeing. Okay, so now, I think, is this a waterfall?
No, this is one moving.
The stream here.
And, okay.
It's all Aflabo.
Oh, okay.
Waterfall.
Hey, I'm tired. The thing is not easy. Yeah.
Anna, for that, a fan.
Chale, my breath. Hey.
Okay, you got to be a beautiful.
Water is cold, though.
Ah.
It's very cold. You're not getting there, too.
Okay, yeah.
Who sent us? Yeah.
Yourself.
Hey. Chale.
So don't cause some energy drink almost there.
Hey. This is more than a fudge too. Yeah. We are resting, we are tired. We are in the middle of the mountain. We are very tired. So, we are still on it. We are trying to get to the Aflabo Waterfall. The journey is very far. So, as you can see, there's a very huge rock over here. So, we are actually going to climb and go on top of this rock. So now, see you over there. So, you can look at my dress. Sweating. So now the rock I showed you, we started climbing actually, and as you can see, this is just the tip of it. So now I'm beginning to climb the rock. See you at the top. There's a small hole over there. Look at where Michael is, the tour guide is. That's where we'll be going. We'll be going through that small hole. Hey, look at the big rocks. Look at the rocks. Hey, that's nature. So now I'm trying to see whether I can get through that small hole. So now we are going to see whether I can be able to get through that hole. Hey! Just look inside. Come and take a shot of inside. You move. You can't see inside.
Yeah.
So you video and then we go through. So now we are moving inside. Hey! So let's go.
We go.
Let's go.
We go.
Can you see? You go. Can you see? I think you have to on the torch.
Okay.
Yes. You go. Yes. So we're in the middle of under the rocks, the huge rocks. You can see we are using a torchlight over here. We are still continuing. Going through. Now, going through, we are moving out. Is it a waterfall?
Yeah.
Yes, so now we are getting to the waterfall. Yes. So we are now out. Yes.
Oh,
And finally,
yeah, yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, wow, nature. We are the Aflabo Waterfall in the KB Abdetia. Yes, finally we got into the waterfall. Look at it. Wow. It's amazing. Look at. Wow, bro. We've made it. Finally, we are the waterfall. Aflabo Waterfall. Yes. So now, we'll be learning about the waterfall. Our tour guide will be taking us through. We'll be briefing us, giving us more history about the waterfall. So now, let's move on to that.
Yes, so finally we got to the waterfall. That's the Aflabo Waterfall. And the whole place was very beautiful. This waterfall was very special because the place was surrounded by very huge rocks. So now, we'll be coming out with the part 2 because the part 2 is going to be very fun. You're actually going to learn very interesting things about this waterfall. And we also move to a different place. That's the second part of the waterfall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. NTP TV, we are here to give you the best. See you all in the part 2. Bye bye.